Will you stop, stop, stop? Then I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew.
What a smart bird was it.
Indeed, even birds have become smarter these days. So, with a twist, you all have heard a story of thirsty crow, but with a twist, heard a story of a thirsty bird. Please welcome the kids of LKG on stage, everyone, with a big round of applause.
What is